super excited about tonight's whiskey. I have tried, well, only 2 Signatory vintage whiskies previously, and I will put a link somewhere that you can go look at them. One was a 27-year-old, absolutely fantastic. But I saw an opportunity to give a nose and taste on, almost a latest version of it. This is a 2014 vintage, and it was only bottled in January this year. So I was quite excited when I saw an opportunity to give it a nose and taste. Now this one, my dear friends, is the Mortlach, 11 years old. This one is first fill sherry butts and refill hogsheads. So quite looking forward to giving this a nose and taste. And 57.1% ABV, quite a high ABV whiskey, a whiskey that's tailor-made for me. So not going to be a long video. Welcome to the Whiskey Lover Society. Me Gert Retief. I'm quite looking forward to giving this a nose and taste. I did pour it maybe 5-6 minutes ago, just to maybe get rid of that excess alcohol ethanol notes of it. So color wise, it is a lovely dark amber color. It's a little viscous. If you go check the viscosity of it, you can see it really sticks to the glass, and then the slow legs forming, slowly moving to the glass. Now, nose wise, my word. Now, if you are into sherried whiskies, sweet sherried whiskies, this is most definitely going to be the one for you. Now, what I also know from Signatory is an independent bottle company. They take whiskies from all over the region, and then they buy it as a young whiskey, and then they mature it until they think it is perfect. Now, I would not say perfect, but perfect for me, considering this is the whiskey type that I like. Not everybody is going to be in that super sweet sherried whiskies. And a lot of people will only like the ex-bourbon cask, some the ex-wine cask, somebody that likes, a lighter whiskey, a summery whiskey, especially in Belgium. Today and yesterday is going to be in the 35 degrees. It is absolutely crazy hot. Now, back to the reality of this whiskey. The nose is super sweet on the nose. You get that dark fruit, that raisins, the dates. You get a little bit of a cinnamony note, a little spicy note that comes out. Even at that 57.1% ABV and with a little bit of a agitation, I can literally still stick my nose in it. It feels mature. There's no ethanol kick in it, that little nail polish remover type of note. You don't get that, which is quite a surprise for me. Oh man, that is really, on the nose, it's promising a lot. A little vanilla, a little bit of a dark chocolate note. Wow, really nice. Taste-wise, of course, good thing I remember to take a very small sip. That first sip, that's very small sip, it just explodes in the mouth. It evaporates immediately, leaving you with a lovely sweetness, that dried fruit, that sultanas, a little bit of a chocolate covered sultana. Oh man, it is lovely. One more try. I love the idea of this high ABV, and I think that is the way that I would drink it. Now this one will take water. It will take quite a lot of water in this, it's quite a big sample. If you add a teaspoon or even 2-3 teaspoons of water, it will take it. But for me, it's not about the quantity, and I don't want to drink it too fast. If it watered down, sometimes you eat a little bit of a weight, maybe a little bit too much water. So for me, I pour a small one like this, and I will drink it a small sip at a time. Maybe it will last me an hour or hour and a half. I'm not in it to get drunk. I'm in it for that experience. I know it sounds a little bit snobbish, but that is how I like my whiskey. One more sip. Small sip. Move it through the mouth, and your whole mouth is covered with this lovely sweetness, that chocolatey note, that dark fruit note. My word, this is a lovely whiskey. Now, I've tried a Mortlach, a couple of them, and I've never had a bad one. But this one, that from Signatory Vintage, for me, it's absolutely fantastic. My whole mouth is watering already for the next sip. There's a little bit of burning sensation of that high ABV whiskey. So I would suggest that if you tried it for the first time, try it neat, very small sips. Add some water to it. It will release some of the molecules, and it will give you an even better nose experience. And I'm not sure if it's even possible. Maybe it's a good idea that I add some water. So on this one, I am only going to use a spoon, 5 milliliters, and I'm just going to add that just to see the effect on that with 5 milliliters of water. Do a little bit of a shaky. Definitely, it releases some of the aromas. That intensity of that aromas is coming out. More dark chocolate, loads and loads of red or dark raisins. More cinnamon also coming out. And also the alcohol feels to me it's been released. I get a little bit of intensity. Of course, I do the shaky. That was also not always fantastic. You need to give it a couple of seconds just to relax and get rid of that volatility. But it is lovely. I think that's kind of perfect. And that burning sensation is not there. That evaporation is not there. One more sip. Oh my word. This is an absolutely fantastic whiskey, and something that I think a lot of people would enjoy. But of course, you need to be very careful of this high ABV. If you're not careful, you are going to end up lying on the floor. So that, my dear friends, is my take on this. Please remember to like, share, hype and subscribe. Give me some feedback. Have you tried it? Which other Signatory vintage would you suggest could be a better one than this? Thank you very much, and I see you next time. Cheers.